Okay, equivalent fractions. Last week we have worked on equivalent fractions using multiplication. That means you find a number that can both multiply the numerator and as well as the denominator. But right now what we're starting to do is finding out equivalent fraction using division. Okay. Alright, so let's give this example, 4/8. Alright, now so you start thinking, what what number can divide both the numerator and denominator and the numerator. Okay, so just think of any number for as long as they can both divide. So sometimes the bigger the number, the more factors you can find out, but you can just pick one. Okay, well, the bigger the number, that's the better it is. But for this case, let me choose 2. Okay, 2 is not the biggest number that can both divide 4 and 8, but 2 will also work. Okay, so let's try 2. So what we will do is we will divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. So 4 divided by 2 and also 8 divided by 2. Okay, and so that would give us a fraction of 2/4. Why is it 2/4? Because 4 divided by 2 is 4 and 8 divided by 2 is, 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so therefore 4/8 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. Alright, now if you look at 2/4, is there another number that can both divide 2 and 4? Yeah, okay, so there is another one. Again, you can still divide both numbers by 2. So you can go further. And so we divide that, and that would give us 1/2. Right? So these three fractions that are colored in gold, 4/8, 2/4, and 1/2, these are all equivalent fractions, meaning their numbers may look different, but in reality they are equal in size. Alright, so let's try some of other fractions, and let's find out their equivalent fraction. Let's say 5/10. What number can both divide 5 and 10? Okay, and so let's pay the, well, there, other than 1, of course, there's only other one, which is 5. Okay, and so the equivalent fraction would be 1/2, because 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, and how about this one, 15/20, or 15/20? So we divided by, okay, what numbers can both divide that other than 1? So again, 5. So 15 divided by 5 and 20 divided by 5, that would give us 3/4. Okay, again, 3/4 and 15/20, they are equal. Okay, how about 6/9? Right, so what are the numbers that can divide that? So we'll pick 3 because that's the only other one other than 1. Alright, so we have 2/3. Alright, and last example, 12/20. What number can both divide them? Right, so that will be 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3 and 20 divided by 4 is 5. Alright, so good luck with your assignment for today.